What do you need to fit IECFC703 and IEC-M703 connectors on a CAVEL DG113 6.60 mm coaxial cable? Compression tool, cable stripper, scissors, brush to fold the braid over the sheath. This procedure is valid both for male and female connectors. First of all, level off the cable using CAVEL scissors. Then take the CS00 cable stripper and use it on the cable like this. Squeeze the jaws slightly and turn the cable stripper 5 or 6 times, and while keeping the jaws squeezed, strip the cable. Use a brush to fold the braid over the sheath like this. Now take the connector, in this case the female connector, and insert it on the cable until it stops. Use the compression tool to complete the job. This tool is equipped with 3 heads, one for F connectors, one for B and C connectors, and one for IEC connectors. Take the insert for IEC connectors and fit it on the tool. Then insert the cable connector assembly in the tool and press all the way down until the plastic part disappears. The connector is correctly fitted on the cable. To improve the insertion of the connectors with insert, if you have an F connector available, you can make the foil adhere better to the dielectric. After folding the braid over the sheath, use the central hole of the F connector to grind the foil, rotating the connector in both directions. At this point, all connectors equipped with insert will be inserted easier. As an alternative to the cable stripper, you can use CAVEL scissors. You have to strip 6 mm of the cable to reveal the internal conductor like this. Then reveal 6 mm of the braid like this. Then fold the braid using your fingers.